Hi, I'm Chad, and welcome to this Boma feature video. In this video, I will show you how to create a contact manually. First, let's navigate to the Contacts menu. Once in this menu, click on New Contact. You will then be given basic contact fields that you can start to fill out. The email field is marked as a mandatory field, as data is stored against the email address within Boma. Contacts in Boma can only be attributed to one email. If you attempt to create a contact with an email address that already exists in your Boma account, an error message will appear upon clicking Save. Once you have created the contact, you will then be given further fields that you can add to that contact record. These fields are street, suburb, city, country, zip code, and also date of birth. You will also be able to add a tag to this contact record. Simply click on the tag section and either search through the tags list or start typing the tag in the text box. Don't forget to click Save. If you would like to learn more about creating a contact record manually, feel free to reach out to our support team on support@bomamarketing.com or use the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thanks so much, and bye for now.